Celebrating sentences and fragments, part 2. Remember, a sentence is a group of words that expresses a complete thought. What does a complete sentence need to have? A complete sentence needs to have a subject, who or what the sentence is about, a verb, words that make sense together, a capital letter at the beginning, an end mark at the end. What is a fragment? A group of words that is not a complete sentence is a fragment. It is missing one or more of these things: a subject, who or what the sentence is about, a verb, doesn't make sense, capital letter at the beginning, an end mark at the end. Let's practice. Whoa! The red roses with the sharp thorns. This is not a complete sentence. It's an incomplete sentence. It's a fragment. What is being said about the roses? We don't know. Sport is baseball my favorite. This is a fragment. There's a subject and a verb. Well, words are not in order. Baseball is my favorite sport. Dark chocolate ice cream with chocolate chips. This is a fragment. What's being said about the ice cream? We have a good description, but we don't know what's happening. Dark chocolate ice cream with chocolate chips was too sweet. Now we have an action with that subject. Our celebration continues. Now read each sentence and see which one is the sentence or fragment. Which one's a complete sentence? A big spider. B, played in the yard. C, my mom and I went for a walk. The complete sentence was, my mom and I went for a walk. Which one of these is a fragment? A, the beautiful butterfly. B, have you ever been to Florida? Or C, what's your favorite movie? The fragment is the beautiful butterfly. That's a great subject, but we do not have a verb. Which one is a fragment? A, my class went to the library today. B, I checked out 2 new books to read. Or C, reading is. We're looking for the fragment. The fragment in this is reading is. We know we're talking about reading. We do have is, but we are missing the subject, verb. Which one is a complete sentence? A, Kelly's gift. B, did you buy Kelly a birthday gift? Or C, Kelly's birthday. Which one is complete? The complete sentence is, did you buy Kelly a birthday gift? Even though it's a question, it is asking about you buying Kelly a gift for her birthday. Which sentence is a fragment? A, my friend and I walked to school. B, we played on the playground. Or my friend and I. My friend and I. It's not a complete sentence. It doesn't have a verb saying what we're doing. Complete sentence or fragment. The new store had a grand opening. This is a complete sentence. In the yard. This is a fragment. We know where we are, but we don't know who or what's going on. Pizza is my favorite food. This is a complete sentence. You're very smart. This is a complete sentence. Julia played tennis with her friend. This is a complete sentence also. The green grass. This is a fragment. My purple folder. That's a fragment also. Science class. Fragment. Yesterday oh, it's a fragment. I had a good day at camp. This is a complete sentence. 1 watermelon. This is a fragment. Thank you for reviewing sentences and fragments with us today.